Kre.
Don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
Banyak ali ubi. Gadang ubi udah dipanen orang. Ini mau dimakan. Ini kok bertahan hidup di hutan. Cara bertahan hidup di hutan. Yang kecil ya, yang besar kan biar kenyang.
Besar asam. Makan dulu.
Cara bertahan hidup di hutan makan ubi mentah. Enak.
Ini waktu kita teringat zaman dulu.
Perang apa? Napak tilas. Para pejuang.
Kerang. Jauh gede jadi makan ini. Enak juga guys. Juga. Ini sehat. Orang dulu kan makan ubi sehat. Bukan kayak sekarang. Banyak mecinnya. Jadi banyak meninggal umur 30 40 udah banyak meninggal orang sekarang.
Ya apa ya?
Salam.
Sayang kali
Oke deh,
nggak terekam bah lele.
Strike kedua game lele.
Lele Madin.
Lele Madin. Meninggal tuh.
Guys. Dalam ini.
Lagi dalam.
Kok bisa ada lele? Mana tadi jaringnya? Gimana kau megangnya itu? Oke, strike. Kita masukkan ke doni. Nyangkut. Kiranya aku strike detik lumayan lah.
Mas bro.
Finish detik ya. Ulas